Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Form for survey only way. Open Google Forms, choose a template or blank form, then name your survey clearly and add an intro. Add question types like multiple choice, checkboxes, and short answer based on your goals. Mark required questions where needed and group related items with sections. Preview the form, test responses, and set sharing or collection options before distributing the link. Designing questions is where most surveys win or lose, so be deliberate and clear. Start with objectives and craft each question to target a single idea, using scales when you need ratings and checkboxes for multiple selections. Avoid jargon and leading phrasing, and keep each item short. Use sections to break longer surveys into manageable chunks and add conditional logic to show only relevant follow-ups based on previous answers. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful tutorials and quick tips. Quick recommendation: check the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker link and deals. It can add background music or timers while you run live surveys and keep your workspace lively. The Echo Dot works great for reminders and hands-free prompts during testing. Now let's get back to the video. Collecting and managing responses is simple once you set preferences upfront and think about privacy. Decide if you will collect email addresses, allow anonymous replies, or limit one response per person when accuracy matters. Enable response validation for formats like email or numbers, and use response destination to send results to Google Sheets. Regularly monitor incoming answers, use filters to segment responses, and export data for advanced analysis or sharing with your team.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.